This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting off network access so the malware can't phone home. Next, make a full backup with Time Machine or a clone. This preserves evidence and recovery options. Once in safe mode, hold Shift at boot, open Activity Monitor and note processes using CPU, memory, or network. Then install a reputable scanner like Malwarebytes. Update it before running the first quick scan. These steps isolate the infection and capture the data you'll need to remove it safely. Once the quick scan finds candidates, run a full, thorough scan and quarantine flagged items. Make sure the scanner's definitions are current. Then inspect system preferences, right arrow users and groups, right arrow login items, and remove unknown entries, and open profiles to delete suspicious configurations. Also clean browser extensions in Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. Remove or disable anything unfamiliar. Use Finder to check /library/launch agents, /library/launch daemons, and the user library. To finish, empty the quarantine, restart, and run a final full scan to confirm removal. If traces persist, boot to recovery, Command-R, and reinstall macOS, or erase and restore from a known clean backup. Always keep your backup available. After cleanup, change important passwords, enable File Vault and Gatekeeper, and turn on automatic updates to prevent reinfection. If problems continue, create a new admin account and scan there, or erase the disk and reinstall. That definitive step usually resolves stubborn malware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.